Hello everybody, welcome back to Frank's Small Farms. We've got another day on Westwood Farm. Now, today, sorry it's a bit dark before I start talking. They've done this fence, well, nearly done it. They've got the posts in and they're just stapling netting on today, rolling it out. I think it looks a lot better than what it did at first, before they redid it. Sorry there's been no videos in a while. Last couple of days I've just been quite busy. Now these fields here probably aren't going to get finished till after Christmas, I'm afraid. So I need to get things for the fence in them or whatever, so that'll be after Christmas. Sheep there are all scanned now. And yeah, there's not a lot else going on at all. I'll look in this carry shed if you can see anything, that is. Nothing really changed. But yeah, I tried to upload a video of Farming Simulator, but it didn't. My internet weren't good enough, so that didn't work. But I'll try again. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.